Hey guys, today we have another unboxing for you here on Family Father Fun. I'm here with Chloe, and we have another Traxxas unboxing. We did a Traxxas Rustler unboxing a while back, and I told Chloe whichever one she liked the best she could have, either the Rustler or the Slash. So we're going to unbox this thing today. This does not have the battery or charger that comes with it. I've already had a charger and a battery for this, but I'll leave a link in the description below for the truck by itself and the truck with a DC charger and nickel metal hydrate battery. So let's get this thing open, see what comes with it, and we're going to run this thing after we open it. Chloe's really excited, aren't she? Alright, go ahead and rip it open, girl. Rip it open. Oh yeah.
It's like a Christmas present.
It's like a Christmas present, she said. We're going to get ready to smell a brand new RC truck.
Alright,
ready? Let's see. Oh, hold on. Let me get this for you. Alright. Are you excited?
So it comes with a blue and red body.
No, it comes with one body. I'm not going to tell you what color it is.
It's blue.
It's blue. Oh, she let it out. Okay, ready? Go ahead and pull that out.
Whoa, this is big.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a lot bigger than the...
Yeah, this is bigger than I thought.
I think because the Rustler has a smaller body, and we've never had a short course truck before. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Hold on a second. Let's see what else comes in here.
Yeah, I need a...
Hold on. Okay, you get your tools and stickers.
Yes.
Tools and stickers, of course. Very minimal tools. Everybody needs a toolkit.
Yes.
One of the first things you get. What else is in here?
We got stickers too.
And we got stickers too. Alright, Chloe. Oh, and we got... This does need 4 AA batteries. Let's peel this thing off here.
Pretty nice.
Hold on. Let's see. Pull these pins out.
Here, I'll put these up.
This package is pretty good though, isn't it? Make sure it doesn't get damaged.
Yeah.
We'll pull the body off. That's pretty. I like that. You like that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We'll have to tape that, Gorilla tape it so it doesn't get busted up. Check it out. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
And if you don't tape it.
Okay. This is what the inside looks like. Like I said, we haven't had a short course truck before, but I've driven a Traxxas Slash before. That's a full drive with a guy I work with. It looks pretty cool. Are you excited?
Yeah. Here's the remote controller.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's do a battery in this thing, Chloe, and we're going to let you run and see what you think, okay?
Okay.
Alright, be back in a minute.
See ya.
Alright, there it is. Wow, it looks really good. You know, I really kind of like the way the short course truck looks more realistic. We're going to give Chloe a chance to drive this thing. Okay, so I'm going to even let you drive this before I even do, Chloe. Are you excited about it?
Yes, very excited.
It looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yes.
Alright, well let's see what you can do. Bring it over here. Alright, Chloe, let's see what she'll do on the road here.
It's Dustin. She's worried.
What do you got there, Chloe?
Our first scratch.
Our first scratch. Well, that's okay. You're not having fun unless you scratch it, I guess, right?
Yeah.
All right, Chloe, quit hogging it up. I want to drive it too.
Okay.
What I really like about this, the short course truck, is you can see the body kind of lean a little bit when it goes to the corners. That's really cool. All right, my turn. Chloe's done hogging it up.
I'm just running into the gate.
This thing's a lot of fun.
Okay, let's start this.
Okay, so you're gonna jump this thing, huh?
If I can.
All right, let's see how she goes. Well, not picture perfect. Let's try it again. All right, Chloe, send it. Woo! There you go, girl. Hey, tell me that wasn't fun.
Fun. Okay, Dad, send it. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I always like jumping things. I don't care what it is, but yeah, I like it.
Good.
Okay, so I'm not gonna let Chloe pick which one she wants, if she wants the Slash or the Rustler yet, until we do the comparison video of the Slash and Rustler and let her try both of them at the same time. You ready for that, Chloe?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you in that video, guys. Have a great day.
Bye.